Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Sentra key fob battery. First, identify your specific key fob model, as designs can vary slightly. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, preventing any small parts from getting lost during the process. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or slot along the edge of the fob casing. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twisting motion, slowly pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pop out the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, ensuring they are securely sealed. Now, it's time to test your newly re-energized key fob. Head to your Nissan Sentra and check if the lock and unlock buttons are working correctly. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.